We are taking a new approach to something that's been done for many years.
It is very fast and simple.
With this system, there is no material waste.
We tried to take the pre-cut, pre-punched, pre-engineered concept that erectors are used to for Butler buildings already and apply that to curtain wall framing that's common on our buildings.
It saves a lot of time going from cutting down conventional studs to have everything that's pre-punched, pre-cut. All you do is assemble it and go.
It allows them to enclose the building much faster and decreases waste and allows you to avoid calling in an additional contractor to frame in those perimeter walls. We've had people put it together that aren't experienced erectors at all, and it's pretty tinker toy to be able to put it together very easily, to follow the drawings and snap parts and pieces in place.
Having not looked at drawings before we got here today, it was very simple to understand what was going on. The drawings are simple. They've already done pre-engineered metal buildings, so if you can read those drawings, you can definitely understand the metal stud drawings.
The way it's numbered, the way it's labeled, it was all simple. The way it goes together, everything fit in. And then you need a tape measure. You just need a screw gun and some screws and a set of drawings.
As municipalities, architects, engineers drive the different finishes that they want to see on buildings, this gives us another option to put up a metal building and give it an option for a different finish on it, such as stucco, EIFS, horizontal metal wall panel, brick. Just opens up the options of what we can do with a metal building.
Traditional studs will generally use a pretty low strength steel, and we're using a high strength steel that will allow us to, on many jobs, use a lighter gauge steel, meaning that the materials they're erecting are lighter weight and easier to handle, and the lighter weight will translate to lower cost on many jobs. Builders have the option, they can assemble the walls on site and just stand them in place. And alternatively, they can assemble them off-site, someplace else on a rainy day or in their warehouse, and then load them onto a truck and haul them across town to the job site and then put them in place at that point.
This would be a big time saver, and the labeling is simple.
And it was just very, very easy.